When you read this question, there is a 60-year-old obese man. Okay, obese man is okay, but he's 60-year-old, so he can not get the things which children get. He has tightness in his chest and lower extremity edema. Heart failure has gotten worse. So they are giving you that he has heart failure, and that has gone worse. He is taking few drugs which are used in heart failure. And when you examine him, there is a pitting edema, and he is having, basically you should see this thing, tachypnea. This is an important part of this question. That he is tachypnea, that means he has a pulmonary edema, right? And pulmonary edema is commonly associated with heart failure with reduced ejection fraction. When the heart is not pumping enough, there is ejection fraction is decreased due to whatsoever reasons, that leads to pulmonary edema, right? And they are asking what changes would occur in the last several years without compensation. If compensation didn't happen, what changes would have occurred? So ejection fraction is decreased. I said this is a heart failure with reduced ejection fraction. Whenever there is pulmonary edema, usually there is a reduced ejection fraction due to which the blood is backing up. Okay, in the circuit, you know the circuit, right? So clearly it means the cardiac output will go down. That's without a doubt right now. So A option is gone, D option is gone, and E option is clearly gone, because something has to go down, and that's cardiac output. Now right atrial pressure, when it goes down or up, if the blood is backing up, the blood is pooling inside the back circuit. That means the right atrium is the last part of the heart if you consider it reverse. So right atrial pressure is going to have more blood than usually it has. So right atrial pressure will go up. For example, this is the heart, right? And drawing it is square, because all our hearts are square. That's the rule of the world. This is right atrium, and this is left atrium. I'm not drawing right ventricle and left ventricle. You already know which one is right and which one is left. Okay. So what happens usually? There is superior vena cava. This is inferior vena cava. For example, the blood comes here. It goes down here. Okay. From here through. Let me change the color for simplicity purpose. Just a minute. From here, the blood goes into pulmonary circuit, right? Right ventricle pushes the blood to pulmonary circuit. You know all this, right? And from pulmonary circuit, after it revolves, so entire pulmonary vessel gets oxygenated. The oxygenated blood comes from pulmonary circuit into the left atrium, right? Then it goes into left ventricle, and that gets pushed through aorta directly into systemic circulation. This is the rule. Right. Now, there is something happening with the contractility of heart, due to which there is reduced ejection fraction. So what will happen? The blood that is coming to right atrium, that is going to come irrespective of whatever happens. Now the blood which was pumping into the pulmonary circuit or into the aorta, that will be reduced, right? Because it is getting pumped less. Now the blood is coming inside, but not going out. Getting it? So 5 ml blood comes, but only 2 ml is going out. So that will do 3 ml. Now another 5 ml comes, total becomes 8 ml, but only 3 ml is going out. So now it will become 5. So 3, 5, 8, and it will go on. That will slowly lead to increase in right atrial pressure.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.